Hey guys, what's happening? I gotta be quiet right now because it's 1 in the morning and my parents are asleep in the next room, so I'm just gonna quickly go over this problem with the Samsung Infinity. I know people always look for videos that show proof of problems and stuff on phones, and no one ever does that, so I'm gonna show you a video of that problem, of one of the problems I should say. Yeah, you can already tell what's going on. Alright, so this is the not so exciting thing that always goes on. Alright, hold on. Yeah, okay, so I just kind of sort of figured it out. So the volume's on 4, as you can see that. It's on 4. And it's on outdoor. And everything you click makes a noise, right? It's really annoying. Like, why would you want to hear all that going on outside? Every letter you type makes a phone a dialing noise when you're texting. That's kind of weird. Okay, but if you have it on driving, I wonder if it does the same thing. Yeah, driving does the same thing. Normal, on the other hand, doesn't. See, no noise. It's still on 4 as the volume. No noise. So that's sort of a problem, not really. If you want your ringtone to be loud and stuff, but other than that, that's a minor problem. Comment if you have any questions. Peace out.